socials, for today's video, magluluto tayo ng special lomi. For our ingredients, we'll be needing onion, garlic, celery, then we have kikiam, crab sticks, and chicken balls. For the veggies naman, we'll be needing carrots, bagu beans, and Chinese cabbage. And of course, our Mickey noodles na binabad ko muna sa tubig para mawala ang konting alat. Let's start by sauteing the vegetables. So, inuna ko na yung carrots, sinute ko lang sa olive oil. Then, just add a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Then, next, yung bagu beans naman. Same procedure, saute lang sa olive oil and add salt and pepper to taste. Then, set aside. Then, next on our list, let's fry the kikiam and chicken balls. Kapag okay na ang ating kikiam and chicken balls, pwede na natin siyang iset aside. On the same casserole, pwede na natin isaute ang garlic, onion, and celery. Yes, pinagsabay-sabay ko na kasi medyo kapos na ako sa oras. By the way guys, I forgot to mention earlier, kasama din sa recipe ang chicken breast which we boiled and shred. And also chicken liver which we also boiled and chopped. So ayan nga guys, sinabay na natin ang ating shredded chicken sa pagsaute. After that, we can add the chicken stock, yung pinagkuluan ng chicken breast natin kanina. After which, pag medyo nagbo-boil na siya, pwede na rin natin i-add yung noodles. Make sure nakadrain siya mabuti bago natin ilagay. After we put the noodles, pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng warm water or pwede ring boiling water. While waiting for it to boil, gawa naman tayo ng seasoning mixture. For our mixture, first we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I added 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 cup of fish sauce or patis. I also added 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Then just mix it all together. Make sure it's well mixed. Syempre titikman nyo kung may kulang, then just adjust to your preference. Now that our mixture is ready, pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating noodles. Then again, wait for it to boil. Kapag kumukulo na, pwede na rin natin i-add yung crab sticks, kikiam, and chicken balls. After a minute, pwede na rin natin i-add yung Chinese cabbage. Don't forget to turn off the stove para hindi ma-overcook ang Chinese cabbage. And then, i-mix natin ng konti para maluto yung cabbage. Since madaming bawal sa amin sa chicken liver, hiniwalay ko na lang siya. So, choose your own toppings na lang sa lomi na to. At eto nga ang aking lomi. Tada! Syempre, complete ingredients, complete toppings. Itsura pa lang, masarap na. I'm so excited to eat. So, till our next banding mga ka-socials. Bye!